Hi there. So I'm going to show you how to create an easy, seamless Instagram post on Canva. As you can see here, it's a pretty cool and seamless way for your audience to see your content. Let's say you have some information that you want to convey and also you want to show some images. In this case, I created a before and after post for my business. So this is a really neat way to display without having to necessarily create multiple posts, separate posts. It all looks like just one seamless post, and it's pretty neat and it's really easy. So all you're going to need is Canva and Instagram. So I'm going to go over to the Canva app and I'm going to go over to custom dimensions on the top left. And I'm going to do the width is going to be 2160 by 1080. Okay, so essentially this is the dimensions for an Instagram post just doubled in width. And you can go ahead and create your graphic here on Canva. Just a couple things to keep in mind. You want to make sure that you are splitting your content in a way that's easy for your viewers to see when they're initially just clicking on your post. So the graphic that I already created it on Canva earlier, and I'm just going to go ahead and size it to the board. And I'll show you what I mean about keeping everything kind of even. So if you notice here on my left-hand side, I have the information that I want my audience to see, and then I have some examples on the right. This would be easier. You want to try to avoid keeping everything in the middle of the post because that's kind of the area where everyone's swiping through. But yeah, so once you have this size to the board, you're going to go ahead and download it twice. You can always duplicate it in your camera roll, but I'm going to download it twice. And then I'm just going to go straight over to Instagram and I'm going to post it. So you want to make sure that you are in full screen mode. If you click these little arrows on the bottom, it's going to send you to a panoramic mode. And that's not really what we want. We want to make sure we are in full screen and we are pushing over to the left. The first image is going to be pushed over all the way to the left. And then you're going to select the multiple image option here. And then you're going to select your second image and you're going to push that all the way to the right. Okay, again, everything's going to be in full screen mode. All right, so then you're going to go ahead and that's it. You're just ready to post. If you want to preview it, you go over here to this right thumbnail and you can make sure that it is the way you need it to be. Right now it's seamless. Everything looks good. And then you can go ahead and share it. And then once you have it shared, you can go ahead and preview your seamless post. I found this to be really easy. I was looking at other videos on how to do this, and it just seemed, I'm not a math person. It was like, divide this into seconds and thirds. This is, to me, the easiest way to do it. Obviously, if you have a wider picture, then you're going to probably, just make it smaller if you want to do the math for it. But in my opinion, this is the easiest way, and you're going to get your message across. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.